Time to see if China's going to let us eat.
Yeah.
This slimy bastard's going to try to light the grill now. The pool was warm, so that was good.
Yes, the pool is very warm, actually.
Good. Got even more disgusting from last time. I don't know what that is.
I'll get it. I'll give her the old reach around.
Oh, you're going to do... Oh, look at Robert. Being a good lackey, turning on the propane.
Yep.
But I have to open this anyway to get my
Your
my light.
accelerant.
Yes, my accelerant for the rest. Okay, let's see over here if China will let us eat. No, no, no.
Thank you, drive through.
She's going. She lit.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh,
So there it goes, there it goes.
Yeah, it was only
She lit
lighting
the
on that
last
side.
6 times.
Not answered the phone, Jay's residence.
Here.
Hello? Yes.
Making a phone call, making a phone call.
Oh.
La 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 la.
Yes, what's going on? What's that? Okay. Wow, that's pretty interesting. Eventually I'll get my grill in here.
So we're just trying to light the grill, and Jay's trying to talk on the telephone.
So,
And everything is lit so far.
I'm gonna actually have to let you go at the moment because actually you're gonna be on YouTube in one of my upcoming videos because I have about 11, 12, 15 people here and I'm trying to start grilling for them. Why are you on? Because you happen to call when I'm lighting the grill up, that's why.
Yeah, I need you to hook up a couple of phones for me.
Yeah, I've been drinking a little bit today, so I'll have to talk to you another time. But it is good that you made that discovery. I'm very glad to hear that. And I guess maybe he knows more than we thought he did. Yes, indeed. All right, I'll have to talk to you another time, so take care. Oh, do you want to say fan for everybody? I can put you on speakerphone. Not really? Okay. They'll take your word for it. Okay. All right, take care. Bye-bye.
So
that was Jordan Yu, the guy who has fans!
Cool.
That's what it was.
Yeah,
That's who it was.
Jace's biggest fan.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, look at this.
When I was a kid, I had the little bottle, okay, and I had the thing, you'd unscrew the top,
Yep.
and then I had the little wand. You had to dip in there, dip your fingers in there, and get all soapy and shit.
Exactly.
And then it had the little round part, and then it had the part with the little, like,
I didn't think it would be
lines in it.
Yeah.
Okay, and you take it out, and you go, oh. And then you try it again, and you go, and if you're lucky, you'd blow a bubble. And you have to keep trying, and it taught the kid perseverance and stamina.
True.
Now, there's a battery in the fucking
Battery,
thing. It
yeah.
blows bubbles.
Also,
And that's it.
Oh, just like Michael Bublé, I haven't met you yet.
Oh, meet somebody you like.
What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty good man. Okay, and nothing else is going on, so we shall return shortly.
You know the deal. Keep it clean. Keep it hot. It's new, sorry, just a second. Always line up with the little dot. And keep it lubricated. So make sure you lubricate it.
Remember, safety 10. Flamethrower.
So always duplicate it.
Over the roof.
So make sure you always duplicate it, or as somebody I used to work with said, duplicate.
Duplicate.
Duplicate. But he was French, so it's okay. I said, I have not been able to duplicate the problem. He was French. I said to him one day, I said, does being able to speak French actually do you any good? He says, what do you mean? I said, in this country. He says, no, absolutely not. He said, we speak it in my household, But other than that, nobody fucking freaks bench here, so that was it. I was like, yeah, that was worth learning, right? But he was great. He was a great guy.
That's good.
Yeah,
That's always important.
I agree. He knew how to fix fucking anything. He's kind of like me.
What, he doesn't care about anything?
Alright, whatever.
That wasn't exactly an insult, Jay.
The grill said goodnight.
Exactly. Alright, so we got, not including Jay's car and his wife's car, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars. There's my car right there. And, yep, 8 cars altogether. So, as usual, Jay, you own the block, right?
I own the block! Fuck him!
It's his property now. Check it out. Good attendance. Good attendance makes parties that much better, doesn't it? I would think so. Totally awesome.
Oh, Dick, look at that.
It's looking good.
Sure is. There we go. I got these things. I normally get them for 49 cents a pound, but I got them on sale for 48 cents a pound.
I don't even know my number.
These are all the legs and thighs. Yeah, they were supposed to actually be 58 cents a pound, but they were mismarked for 48. So fuck them. Doesn't matter to me. You know, whenever you can get one over on demand, do it. Anytime. Anytime you can find yourself a better deal, discount, anything, absolutely go for it. Because they're only going to stick you back 10 times harder. That's really what it is.
Probably, yeah.
I got a bigger dick than fucking you. Down here.
Yeah, if grill's on fire, that's it. It's all over.
That's just what happens when Jay barbecues.
Exactly.
Indeed. Well, anyway, fire is good for ratings, or at least it used to be, and then Susan came on.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like the fire got worse, so I don't know why. But the Chiquen is looking like pretty damn good at this point. Oh yeah, look at that. The meat's falling away from the bone right there.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
So that's only a sign, Jay. It's gonna suck.
Fucking hot. Okay, so now
it's fire, hon.
Right. So now we got to put everything down to low, and it's gonna burn anyway because of that. And we have the barbecue sauce with that's black shit from the barbecue, with the hole burned in the top with a soldering iron, because I'm awesome that way. And then what you do is you squirt it on. This way you don't have to spend $1.25 on the, what do you call it, squirty bottles that they have on like Food TV and shit like that. You don't need that shit. Soldering iron, you're all set. If you don't have one of those, you can get them at a dollar store. Uh-oh, add a barbecue sauce. What next?
That's it. Party's over. Everyone go home.
Party's over. Everybody go home, yeah.
Party's over, Biff.
Did you say Biff?
Yeah.
With an F?
Yep.
F is in fuck, baby. Right?
You see, I have to play the flute too in more ways than one, too.
Listen to this shit. You could see that?
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Because I play like the flute and shit on my side. And I just want to know if I could do that, like that meter, that sign language and shit. And I slapped in my ass. Watch it. Oh, you see that shit? I could do that with my hands like so good, but I could sign even better.
Is there an apartment number?
Yes, it's one F.
S as in Sam?
No, F as in fuck, baby.
See, and then everybody says, oh, well, what do you do now? Well, what you do is you take it the fuck off of that. Then you get yourself a new Baba, which I have right over here.
Yeah, but you get yourself a new Baba, O'Reilly.
Har, har, har.
Teenage wasteland, oh yeah. Teenage wasteland. They're all wasted.
And now we open that up. Okay. Like save this coupon, you know, save this cap, and put that one on. Because it all fits the same baba. And we'll cover it and just shake it. Just
Yeah, be like the cars and shake it up.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up.
Yep. Shake it up. Do you know what you're causing in terms of video editing?
What do you mean?
Because now I'm going to have to put that song in.
Oh, yeah. No, you don't have to.
How come you didn't put the song in? Can you wash without fabric softener?
Yeah.
So, spray down all of the Chiquen with the barbecue and turn your burners onto low. Make sure you burn all of your arm hair off.
Yeah, so that's why on low you only burn half your arm hair off.
Yes. So we squirt all of that shit down like that. And make sure you coat your entire Chiquens with the barbecues.
Yeah. Yo, dog, I heard you like barbecue, so I put barbecue sauce on your barbecue chicken for the barbecue.
I'm a cat man myself, thanks.
Ah.
Cat man do. Okay. Put that. Make sure your burners are on low and just wait till it feels like it's time to look again.
You know you're one of the great cat burglars of the world, Marv. You think you keep it down a little there, huh? YouTube Red is a waste of money,
It's
seriously.
a huge waste.
Yeah.
Not for us. We don't get ads. Sorry.
There's ad block software for that.
Well, it's through the TV though. We play it on the TV.
Don't use ad block software. That doesn't pay me. Do you understand this? If you want to keep seeing J videos, don't use ad block software. Do you fucking understand that shit?
Demonetized.
Yeah.
Chiquen!
Chiquen.
Chiquen living over a hot
Chiquen.
grill.
Hot grill. Close enough. Flames. Close enough to a stove. Good enough.
More barbecue sauce.
Barbecue, sauce, lots of sauce, barbecue, style. What's not Gangnam Style?
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
No, barbecue style.
Oh God, not that song, please.
Gangnam Style.
That song is so 2012.
Oh, dick.
Yeah.
I can't do the like.
Oh, my finger is burning off from barbecue sauce.
I take it.
But then again, 2013 was all about what does the fox say?
Yeah, lady pasta.
Pasta, Roma, tomato, garlic, oh la la, I'm so delicious. Forget spaghetti, I want linguine. Give me fusilli, penne, or ziti, ravioli, gnocchi, or tortellini.
Well, what are the foxes?
Foxes don't say, they do.
Oh no, actually no, they do go hit 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 hit. Because they make really freaking weird noises back here.
Do you know how hot this is? Oh, God, it's so fucking hot.
Well, Jay, it's propane. Propane burns very hot, you know.
Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah. No, once you get an electric grill, totally, totally energy efficient.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
First time since I got eaten
Best way you
alive
can spend your money,
the other
hon.
day. And behind
Best way you can waste your money.
all
So
places right
I
there.
think I'm gonna need another barbecue sauce, which is good because you're gonna need like 7 of them,
Kind of
7 of them.
something like that. I don't know. You need a whole lot.
I put aloe on it from my mom's aloe plant.
You have to get like a gallon jug or something. If they even sell, like, go to like a Costco or something.
It's weird. I didn't notice it until like.
Oh,
Bubble emergency. Bubble emergency. Bubble.
Bubble emergency. Okay, I need a little more barbecue sauce.
All right, so we'll stop here, and then when it gets more sauce, we shall continue.
Okay. New
Now-
barbecue.
There you go. Sauce it up.
There. Oh, sauce it up. Sauce it up. Right. So.
I have one thing to say. Sachet, Shante.
Yeah, we did. I know. We did that in the slime video already. It's like par for the course at this point, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, the whole goal here is to put these on, maybe chooch them up a little bit if you want.
Put it on medium. Put them on warm wash, warm rinse. Oh, wait a minute.
Right. Just take the flow restrictor out.
Exactly. Yeah.
And let them go until the barbecue sauce looks like not like that.
Looks. It sounds good to me.
Looks brandied or something.
All right, yeah, I'm gonna hang.
You stop saying all this stuff because you're killing the jokes. It's really forked up.
And what did you say?
I said, no, you really forked that one up, didn't you?
Yeah, I guess you did.
Well,
So
no, 'cause
anyway,
I
look,
didn't goof up.
Not that time.
Lance.
look at that.
I slipped.
That's what we're looking at. See how it kind of like glazed over?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty much done. So
Cool.
we're gonna turn everything down to low. No, they're not burnt.
Blurnt.
We're gonna. No, they're not burnt.
Oh.
We're gonna take
Oh,
off the
sorry, you're
Chiquen
right.
and send everybody to eat. But I can't even tell you how nice it's been because everybody's fucking moved away, and I don't have the crazy J parties that I used to have every week. Do you know how nice it is to fucking be back at the helm again?
Yeah, you know how nice it is to be on Long Island, to be here for the party?
Your very own host, the guy who's
the
going to
last
be
party we
cooking
were
for
here,
you,
but the one
the guy who's feeding you booze,
Leaking.
the guy who's doing everything, is the same guy that you actually got
slots,
slimed
like, hanging out.
before just for coming over. Just for coming over, you get to slime the host, and then I get to cook you dinner and give you all of fucking my booze just for free.
No, I mean
So fuck it to you, right?
drunk hanging. Like I lit it.
Well, I mean, Jay, that's what happens when you rock in the free world.
Well, do. Keep on chooching in the free world, yeah. Look at the mess everybody left. Nobody threw out the empty babas. I had to clean off the top of that. I had to put that on, and every time I end up throwing out the cap, I just poke the hole in. So then I have to go make a mad dash for the fucking soldering iron and make another hole in the fucking thing. And that way you can do that, by the way, with any kind of sauce, any kind of salad dressing, anything you want that you want to make a squirty bottle out of. Just put a soldering iron, just and take it right out, and then you got a squirty bottle. That's all. Nothing to it.